YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Moose back with another video. In today's video, we're taking the BMW M4 in a nighttime drive through downtown. Now, if this is your first time checking me out, my name is Moose. I own MotivoMotoring.com, which this video is sponsored by. Yes, I'm sponsoring myself. So, what is Motivo Motoring, you might ask? First question. It's carbon fiber website for BMW parts and custom accessories. So we got all the front lips that y'all want, all the designs, whether it be an M4, 3 Series, or whatever, we sell it. We got mirrors, diffusers, diffuser extensions, spoilers, taillights, list goes on. But back to the video. This is not the ordinary BMW M4 comp. You know, the M4 stock is no joke, right? But this one right here is a stage 2 package M-Life Auto Care tuned car. So it's no joke. How much horsepower does this car make? It makes 900 horsepower to the crank. Some people get pissy about it. So it makes 780 wheel horsepower. You know, difference between crank and wheel. The crank makes a little bit more horsepower. And when it goes to the wheels, it's like a loss in horsepower. So it says 780 wheel horsepower car. Regardless, it's no joke, right? Absolute missile. And it's a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys kind of get to feel out how quick this car is in this video. And I appreciate all of the support I've been getting on my channel. I've been getting a lot of love on the page. So as long as y'all continue to support, I'm gonna continue putting these videos out. So yeah, definitely check me out, subscribe if you enjoy what you see, and we'll go from there. I don't know what's up with them though. They over here parked up in the spot, just kicking in stuff. It's a little, you know, it's a little shady. I don't know, but yeah, enough talking. You know, you gotta be on point. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all though. We're gonna hop in the car and get this video going. Yeah, right. Boom. Go ahead and show y'all what's probably the first thing y'all want to see is the interior. Beautiful white seats, extended leather right there, as y'all can see with the the ambient lighting. And yeah, let's go ahead and get it popping. Oh nice, it's already in sport. All right, trying to really hide my speed, but yeah. All right. I think we got to switch up the lights on y'all a little bit, you know, make things a little bit more interesting. Interior lighting, I think it's a purple type of vibe today, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Boom. And there, that's more like it. The reason I was leaning towards that lane a little bit, I was over here turning the traction off, so I already knew there was no cars behind me or anything, so yeah. I should probably have this car in automatic, so I'll probably go ahead and switch in a little bit once we get rolling. Burbles is crazy though. The Burbles is definitely crazy. Let me go ahead and show y'all the view real quick. Car is super tinted, so I apologize for that. Might be a little bit hard to see in certain angles, but yeah, bear with me. I'm taking it easy right now because obviously there's traffic and stuff around. just that small quarter throttle pull, I felt like car wanted to step out. That's crazy. Oh, okay. What do we have here? Alright, I'm gonna barely get on it because it looked like it was a cop over there. God damn. This car is ridiculous, bro. Sheesh. Alright, so car's on 93 right now. I don't have it on E85, which is like the max power. It has a flex fuel kit, so basically it'll adjust accordingly. But I really don't feel the need for E85 right now. The weather is decent actually for it being, you know, winter, but shoot, on excellent weather conditions, I still wouldn't be able to hook. So like, what's the point? Is what I'm trying to say. There's no reason for me to even run the car on full E. But yeah, sheesh. I kind of forget how fast this car is until I get on the throttle a little bit and I'm reminded, like, that was not me punching the car, you know, and it was still hauling, which is ridiculous, honestly. Oh, what a good guy. I appreciate you. See, I wish everyone else would do that. Just get out the way so I don't have to start cutting up and stuff. But not everyone can drive. That wasn't me flooring it. That's like half throttle, maybe. Say half throttle's reasonable to say. Yeah, bro, this car is crazy. Oh, we got a nice little opening here. Let me go ahead and slow down. Shit. Y'all see what I'm saying? That's why I'm running on E85. That car just broke loose at a speed I don't even want to say. Completely loose on 93, and the tires are decently warmed up. Damn. Hey, that is crazy. That is nuts. God damn, I'm just tripping off that. I think y'all want another pull. Let's go ahead and bring it a little bit slower, right? Get y'all a little 50 roll. No. Alright, 40 roll. Even better. Don't do it. Okay. Hey, we hooked there. Decently, at least. I mean, it was cutting power, as you could probably hear and tell. But it ain't break loose at 100 and whatever kilometers, obviously. You know, we talking kilometers. Man, I almost got caught up slipping. We talking kilometers, guys. But yeah, man, this car is ridiculous. I mean, the amount of power you get out of this car is stock turbos, stock internals, you know, stock trans, everything else. It's just pretty much bolt-ons in a tune. And all of this power is from just simple mods. It's not even comprehensible how fast this car is for the amount of stuff that's done to it. Usually you see people who have, for this type of power that I'm getting, everything built, transmission built, all this crap done to their cars, and man, I don't have none of that stuff done to mine. There's a cop over there. Okay, nice. He ain't making no U-turn or anything. I didn't expect him to, though. But yeah, it's crazy, honestly. Like, this car right here is such a capable platform. Honestly, am I tripping around here? A cop. I'm tripping. Like, I'm honestly not a big fan of the looks of this car. It's growing on me more, but I just dealt with the looks. Like, I didn't mind the looks just because of like all the benefits that come with having this car, like the performance, the numbers. You know, I can overlook how the car looks because all the other stuff you get on this car is amazing, especially for the price. I mean, it's not a cheap car by any means, but in terms of just being an absolute deal and bargain, I think this is the top car you can get in this class, you know, or that price range of, you know, roughly 80 grand or so to like 100 grand. Anything under 100,000, I think this is taking the cake. I don't really see any other cars that have the interior, they have the performance, the reliability. I mean, these cars are pretty reliable. I had an issue with my car, but it's just, I guess, me having bad luck. It was the transmission going out. But shoot, from what I'm seeing, everyone else that has one of these is praising the reliability. So I think it just goes to show, like, you get a lot with this car. And BMW definitely did their thing. I want to go ahead and have a little bit of space because I know this car's gonna step. Actually, I'll keep it in third. Damn, it's still trying to step. Sheesh. That's traction fully off. I'm getting on it and it still feels like it's wanting to step loose, right? God damn. I just got completely loose in fourth gear. I literally had to let off. I know y'all probably heard it too in the video. God damn. Yeah, this car, I rarely drive it with the traction fully off because if you're not prepared, you don't know how this car behaves, it'll really kill you. But hey man, I hope my finger isn't in the video too much. If it is, I apologize. Let's go ahead and see. They're probably looking at like, this guy's an idiot. And they're kind of right. Damn, what's up with this minivan? Do you want to run it? Alright. Tires are pretty warm now, which is good. It's gonna make a difference in traction, but I think regardless, this car and traction just don't go together. Yeah, so this is a rear-wheel drive, by the way. I think a lot of people probably assume it's all-wheel drive because it's a comp. This is a rear-wheel drive comp. So looking back at it, I probably, if I had to choose, I'd probably go all-wheel drive. But it is what it is, and I can't complain about it too much at this point. It is what it is. It's not a big deal. It's just this car right here just doesn't hook for nothing. All right, one more pull. It's like it's teleporting. Sheesh. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe, give me your feedback, and let me know what y'all want to see. I appreciate y'all. And I apologize to the people asleep right now. Yeah, so hey, y'all stay safe, be easy. If y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we're gonna keep them coming.